You can do stuff fast and amazing, but you can also do slow and methodical and really think about what you're doing. You know, we were talking about Thriller. Could you make that album in 2 weeks? No. You couldn't. I just think in general there just isn't really any rules when it comes to writing and producing music. There's just not rules. You could make something that takes you a year to finish, and it could be amazing. It could be shit too. And then you could make something in 10 minutes that's great. There's no fucking rules. The end product and the end track is all that matters. No one gives a shit if you made your beat in 5 minutes. The listener doesn't care. It's either they like it and it's good, or they don't. Is it good or not, you know? The end product and the end song is all that matters.